Hey there, builders, makers, and curious minds. Today we're dissecting a true workhorse, the shop vacuum. This isn't your average household cleaner, this machine is a beast, built to handle the messiest jobs. We're going to crack it open, lay out its guts, and see what makes it tick. Get ready to get your hands dirty. The shop vacuum is a familiar sight in workshops, garages, and construction sites. It's the unsung hero of countless projects, tackling sawdust, metal shavings, and even small spills with gusto. But how many of us truly understand the magic happening inside that rugged exterior? We're about to find out. So, grab your safety glasses, and let's dive into the anatomy of a shop vacuum. We'll uncover the secrets behind its powerful suction, and explore the ingenious design that makes it a cleaning champion. By the end, you'll have a newfound appreciation for this workshop essential. At the core of every shop vacuum lies its powerhouse, the motor. This electric beast is what drives the entire cleaning operation. When you flick that power switch, the motor roars to life, spinning a fan at incredible speeds. This isn't your grandma's ceiling fan, this one's built for serious air movement. The fan, directly connected to the motor, is a marvel of simple yet effective engineering. It's designed with angled blades, much like an airplane propeller. As the motor spins the fan, these blades slice through the air, creating a powerful airflow. This airflow is the key to the shop vacuum's cleaning prowess. The rapid rotation of the fan creates a low-pressure zone at its center, like a mini hurricane inside the vacuum. This low pressure acts as a vacuum, drawing in air from the surroundings. The surrounding air, carrying with it all the dust, debris, and whatever else is in its path, rushes in to fill this void. Now, we've got a powerful airstream rushing into our shop vacuum, but what happens to all the stuff it picks up? That's where the collection and filtration system comes in. This crucial part of the shop vacuum ensures that the dirt and debris are captured and contained, preventing them from being blown right back out. The incoming air, laden with debris, is first directed into a large collection chamber. This chamber is typically a sturdy drum or tank made of metal or high-impact plastic. Its job is simple but essential to act as a holding pen for all the stuff the vacuum sucks up. But the shop vacuum doesn't just collect debris, it also filters out harmful particles from the air. Positioned between the collection chamber and the motor is a filter, often a pleated cartridge or a foam sleeve. This filter acts as a barrier, trapping fine dust and allergens that would otherwise be released back into the air you breathe. Section 4, Hoses and Accessories Extending the Reach. The motor and collection system are all well and good, but how do we actually get the dirt from point A to point B? That's where the hoses and accessories come in. These extensions of the shop vacuum are what allow us to reach into tight corners, navigate obstacles, and tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. The hose is a flexible conduit that connects the vacuum's intake port to the outside world. It's typically made of durable, crush-resistant material that can withstand the rigors of workshop use. The hose's flexibility is key, allowing us to maneuver it around furniture, equipment, and other obstacles. At the end of the hose, we have a variety of attachments, each designed for a specific cleaning purpose. There's the trusty crevice tool for reaching into tight spaces, the brush nozzle for loosening dirt and debris, and the wide nozzle for covering large areas quickly. These attachments are the shop vacuum's secret weapons, allowing it to adapt to a wide range of cleaning challenges. Section 5, Putting it all together, the symphony of suction. So, we've seen all the individual parts of a shop vacuum, but how do they come together to create that satisfying suction power? It's all about the flow, a carefully orchestrated symphony of air movement. When you switch on the vacuum, the motor kicks in, spinning the fan at high speed. The spinning fan creates a low-pressure zone, drawing air in through the hose and any attached accessories. The incoming air, carrying with it all the dust and debris, rushes through the hose and into the collection chamber. The debris, separated from the airstream by the force of the suction, falls into the chamber. The air, now free of most of the dirt and debris, continues its journey through the vacuum. It passes through the filter, which traps fine particles, ensuring that only clean air is exhausted back into the environment. This continuous cycle of air intake, debris collection, and air filtration is what makes the shop vacuum such an effective cleaning machine. Section 6, Conclusion, Appreciation for a Workhorse. There you have it, folks, a glimpse into the inner workings of the humble shop vacuum. We've seen how the motor and fan generate the suction power, how the collection and filtration system traps the debris, and how the hoses and accessories extend its reach. It's a simple machine, really, but its ingenious design and robust construction make it an indispensable tool. Next time you fire up your shop vacuum, take a moment to appreciate the magic happening inside. It's a testament to practical engineering, a workhorse that makes our lives easier and our workshops cleaner. So, go ahead, give your shop vacuum a pat on the side. It deserves it. Remember, safety first. Always wear appropriate safety gear when operating power tools and cleaning up debris. Now go out there and make something amazing.